Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Everyday English practice. Speak naturally in real life. And today's topic is how to speak English naturally and confidently in your daily life. Now listen carefully. Many people believe that learning English is difficult. They think they need to learn thousands of words, complex grammar rules, and perfect pronunciation before they can speak fluently. But the truth is very difficult. Fluency does not come from knowing everything, it comes from using what you already know. In daily life, communication is simple. People do not always use difficult words or long sentences. They express their thoughts clearly, directly, and naturally. So today we are going to focus on building that natural speaking ability. Let's begin with a simple idea. Speaking English is a habit. Just like eating, walking, or working, speaking is something you develop with daily practice. If you practice every day, even for a short time, you will see improvement. But if you only study and never speak, your progress will be very slow. Now think about your daily routine from morning to night. You do many small activities. Each activity is an opportunity to practice English. For example, when you wake up, you can say, I woke up early today. I feel fresh and ready to start my day. When you are eating, you can say, I am having my breakfast. The food is simple, but it is good. When you are working or studying, you can say, I am focusing on my work. I want to complete my tasks on time. These are simple sentences, but they help you build fluency step by step. Now listen carefully. One of the biggest problems learners face is hesitation. They stop in the middle of speaking because they are searching for the perfect word. This breaks their flow and reduces their confidence. Instead of stopping, try to continue with simple words. If you don't know a word, explain it in another way. For example, if you don't know the word calculator, you can say, it is a small machine that helps me count numbers. This is how real communication works. Now let's talk about thinking in English. This is a very important skill. When you think in your native language and then translate into English, it takes time. This delay creates hesitation. But when you start thinking directly in English, your speaking becomes faster and smoother. Start with small thoughts. I am sitting, I am listening, I am learning. Gradually, your thoughts will become longer. I'm sitting in my room and practicing English. I'm listening carefully and trying to improve my speaking skills. This is how your brain adapts to the language. Now let's move to natural conversation style. In real life, conversations are not formal, they are relaxed and simple. Instead of saying, I would like to inquire about your availability, you can say, are you free? Instead of saying, I apologize for the inconvenience, you can say, sorry about that. Simple language is powerful. Now repeat in your mind. Simple English is effective English. Good. Now let's talk about confidence again, but in a different way. Confidence does not come from being perfect. It comes from accepting imperfection. Every speaker, even native speakers, makes mistakes, but they continue speaking. You should do the same. When you speak, focus on your message, not your mistakes. Your goal is communication, not perfection. Now imagine you are talking to someone. You can say, Hi, how are you? I was thinking about improving my English. So I started practicing every day. It is not easy, but I am trying my best. This is natural, simple, and effective. Now try a longer self expression. Every day I try to improve my English speaking skills. Sometimes I feel confident, and sometimes I feel nervous. But I know that practice is the key to success, so I keep going. This is how you build real fluency. Now listen carefully. Consistency is more important than intensity. You do not need to study for 5 hours in one day. Instead, practice for 20 to 30 minutes every day. Speak, listen, repeat, and think in English. Over time, you will notice a big difference. Repeat slowly. I am learning English step by step. I understand that fluency takes time and effort. I am not afraid of making mistakes because I know that mistakes help me grow. Every day I practice speaking, and every day I become a little better than before. I believe in myself, and I will continue this journey until I achieve my goal. Take a deep breath and say with confidence, I can speak English. I am improving every day. I will succeed. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.